1/8 and 3/8 have the same denominator, namely 8. However, not all fractions share a common denominator. For instance, 1/2 and 3/7 do not. In order to add or subtract fractions, these fractions need to have a common denominator. If fractions do not have a common denominator yet, this means you will have to convert the fractions in order to add or subtract them. 1/8 and 4/5 do not share a common denominator. That means that you will first have to convert the fraction using two small steps. First, you multiply the numerator and denominator of 1/8 with only the denominator of the second fraction, 5. This leaves you with 5/40. Next, you multiply the numerator and denominator of 4/5 with the denominator of the first fraction, 8. This is 32/40. You have now found the common denominator, 40. Once you have found the common denominator, you can add the fractions. You do this by adding the numerators of both fractions. 5 plus 32 makes 37. The answer, therefore, is 37/40. Do not forget to reduce the fraction when possible. You also need a common denominator for subtracting fractions. Once you've found the common denominator, you can subtract fractions by subtracting their numerators. 5 minus 2 makes 3. Just like with subtracting, the denominator remains unchanged. This gives you 3/7. And again, do not forget to reduce the fraction when possible.